Expand your outdoor living space and reduce your maintenance and water usage.
Imagine a backyard that's always green, beautiful, and ready for anything without the endless upkeep. At Blue Wagon Landscape Supply, we help you expand your outdoor living space with top quality artificial turf. More space for family, friends, and fun, and no mud, mowing, or watering. This family has 2 dogs and likes to entertain, but during the winter, this lawn was a muddy mess. Our turf looks and feels natural, drains quickly, and stands up to every season. Whether you want a play area or a relaxing, entertaining area, we've got the perfect solution for you. Choose one of our certified independent installers or install the turf yourself. We will be hosting a free 4-hour turf installation training seminar at our store Thursday, September 18th from 12 o'clock to 4 o'clock and serving lunch to the first 14 people who sign up. Visit the homepage of our website and claim your free bag of organic compost. Visit Blue Wagon Landscape Supply in Hayward or bwartificialturf.com and let's create the backyard you've always dreamed of.